As predicted by experts and cryptocurrency developers, Cardano is on its way to becoming the Ethereum killer, all thanks to advances like improved transaction processing capacity and quicker block propagation times. So, great news! The Vasil hard fork has stepped out to be a catalyst and speed up this journey for Cardano by unleashing enormous possibilities. This is the power of Vasil. The crypto space is exceptionally fast-paced, yet the development of Cardano has been quite sluggish. Projects launched years after Cardano, such as Polkadot, have delivered far more robust ecosystems. Other projects could increase their lead in development if Cardano backs in further delays. With this, Cardano is in dire need of a catalyst, and the latest upgrade seems to be the perfect answer. Initially scheduled for June, the Vasil upgrade is part of Cardano's third development cycle designed to improve network capacity, lower transaction fees, and make transactions faster. A slew of major changes to the blockchain, making it user-friendly for smart contracts and dApp development, is set to come on board. The Input-Output Global considers Vasil as the most extensive upgrade attempted to Cardano to date, touching every layer of the network stack and fixing a lot of bugs. According to the Cardano Foundation, the final result of the update will indicate an increase in the size of the block and give more space for data to be saved into each block added to the ledger. The vice president of the community and ecosystem at IOG, Tim Harrison, explained that the significance of the improvements on the blocks is to make transaction sizes smaller, which increases network throughput while cutting transaction fees. With the arrival of the Vasil hard fork, these projections have failed to be mere bluffs or exaggerations. In fact, the upgrade has started to unveil them. The Cardano founder, Charles Hoskinson, has revealed that Vasil cut costs in half and saved 10 times more space. The recently launched Vasil hard fork has already started living up to programmed expectations just a week after it went live. dApp developers began to relish in mouthwatering features of the Plutus V2 functionality, which saves transaction costs and size. MuesliSwap, a decentralized exchange on the Cardano network, took to Twitter to state the benefits of utilizing the new Plutus V2. According to MuesliSwap, the transaction size is relatively lower compared to what was obtained in the previous versions. While the DEX was still in the process of launching its Plutus V2 scripts, it already experienced the powerful nature of Vasil. The DEX, which combined its order book with liquidity pools, saw that transaction fees and sizes are way lower in Plutus V2. Quote, "Power of Vasil. We are close to launching our Plutus V2 scripts. Here are some amazing benchmarks showing the upgrade, combining our order book with liquidity pools. Plutus V1 transaction size, 14.73 kilobytes. Fee, 1.44 ADA. Plutus V2 transaction size, 1.31 kilobyte. Fee, 0.73 ADA, MuesliSwap tweeted. A series of positive reactions flew into the air from Cardano supporters, as well as the team behind the leading blockchain project. Cardano Hoskinson did not hesitate to celebrate this feat. He said the development exposes the fact that Plutus version 2 saves 10 times the space at half the cost. 10 times saving on space at half the cost. I call that innovation, he tweeted. In addition, Input-Output Global noted that decentralized application developers have already seen the benefits of a new feature. In fact, it tweeted, on September 27th, Plutus V2 functionality became available for developers on the Cardano mainnet. dApps utilizing the new Plutus V2 scripts and cost model are already seeing the power of the Vasil upgrade. New Plutus V2 features and enhancements enable dApp developers to create novel and exciting experiences, while diffusion pipelining unlocks the potential for greater throughput and network capacity. This development put a lot of concerns and pessimisms about the Vasil hard fork at bay. Following the announcement of the Vasil hard fork implementation, ADA was corrected by almost 10%, and technical indicators did not give much hope either. It was argued that Cardano and the ADA token were just responding to the macroeconomic factors, emotional concerns seeping into the global markets, and Ethereum's comparable downward trend following the merge. However, the latest announcement has ushered in hope and a green light for Cardano. Investors and users can now begin to anticipate more record-breaking news from the network. Going forward, the Cardano blockchain appears to be on track to get better with the Vasil hard fork. Also, ADA reacted positively to the news of successful completion of the Vasil upgrade, and it rose by 3.6%. The community reaction was positive, justifying its description of being a major upgrade in the history of Cardano. The founder of Abra Global, Bill Barrett, expressed his admiration. Making UTXOs and inputs accessible to scripts/Plutus without spending them is a big win for developers. Well done, he said. Short-term investors, or those who ventured into the crypto space as a result of the 2021 boom cycle, could take comfort from the fact that Cardano continues to be one of the largest cryptocurrencies by market capitalization and enjoys a very healthy trading volume on various crypto exchanges. For those who believe that the power of dApps and the unlimited potential they provide in a Web3 future, the ADA token offers a very admirable risk-reward ratio and can observe considerable price increases. It is even more likely that the Cardano blockchain will be the top choice when more advantages from the Vasil hard fork start to flow in. This is a safe point to recall that transaction fee on the Ethereum blockchain became red hot as the NFT mania clogged up the network. It infuriated people and sent them looking for cheaper blockchains such as Cardano and Solana. Some perceive it will be an existential threat to a cryptocurrency network that bills itself as the future of finance. On Ethereum, people pay a base fee for their transaction verified by miners, but as soon as the interest in NFTs soared, the fees rocketed. Gas fees are insane, a user said on Ethereum's Reddit page. Another user lamented, if the Ethereum network can't fix its gas fees, it won't be used by the average consumer. Some of those headwinds for Ethereum I think have caused people to ask themselves, what else do I want to own at this point? Head of research Pete Humiston said. These complaints propelled the developers to scramble and work out other solutions, such as expanding a second Ethereum layer. But according to Jack O'Halloran, CEO of the Ethereum development company Scale Labs, high gas fees do not pose a crisis to Ethereum, but a symptom of the network's huge success. The Ethereum merge has contributed to the solution, but with the Vasil hard fork and its thrilling advantages, the Ethereum killer is definitely coming to take its place. Plus, almost everyone wants a piece of the crypto cake, and Cardano looks ready to receive them. Furthermore, a 10x space for the Cardano blockchain is a big opportunity, but the ADA coin price going 10x sounds massive. In 2021, Cardano took a major step, and the price of the ADA token saw an explosion. The bear market has driven the price lower, but this doesn't mean that it doesn't have massive potential. If Cardano continues its long-term evolution and becomes a more efficient blockchain than Ethereum or Solana, the price could explode, and this time, sustain it. Cardano can also become a better alternative to Ethereum in the future, thereby propelling the network to be the go-to blockchain for smart contracts, and this could increase the price to $10 or higher. Cardano investors have been very committed to their token, much more than SHIB and Doge's investors. Despite the constant price falls and crashes, they have held onto it. Their faith in Cardano is stronger than the prevailing market conditions. However, the cryptocurrency crash, which was strongly felt in May, prompted some investors to find their way out. Upset with the crypto market, some ADA holders even chose to sell it. Long-term holders, who are widely seen as the best friends of any crypto, panicked and sold a part of their ADA tokens. The Cardano ecosystem paid no attention and remained unflagging by the panic selling since its focus is just on expanding the space. This expansion has started with the Vasil hard fork and several other upgrades scheduled for this year, which will prompt a massive boost to the network. There is little reason to perceive that Cardano is a favorite part of the crypto world, and ADA is among the most highly sought-after cryptocurrency for new traders due to its promising future. Cardano has absorbed a fair share of criticism for its slow pace of development, but in the end, slow and steady will win the race. While Cardano has seemingly lagged in some developments, it is building its momentum right now. So it is in our best interest to keep watching how this slow and steady coin will spike unstoppably. But what are your thoughts on this? Let's have them in the comments section below. We'll see you in the next video, but before then, check out our other videos to find out how Cardano is living up to the dream of being the Ethereum killer. And as always, make sure you click on the subscribe and notification buttons.